Beelan uses dance to inspire, empower, and uplift communities. Through mentorship, outreach, and performance, he advocates for inclusivity and social change, believing in transformative power of movement to foster healing and connection. Beelan believes culture is a lived experience best told through the power of expression. When movement meets creativity, it shapes identity and unites communities. The 90s era contribution to hip hop gave us individuality, personality, and a lasting influence that still resonates today. As you witness this work, immerse yourself in the essence of then and now. Originality that can be translated, but never duplicated.
Amen.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go, Todd.
Boy, Todd.
I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.